Hi friends, this is Sai from Department of Civil Engineering. So in the remote sense, we are discussing image analysis. In the last topic, we are discussed about the virtual interruption. So virtual interruption is defined as the process of analyze the objects and evaluate their importance by examining of satellite images. So it gives very important one. So image analysis is a study. So image analysis is a study of examination of an object. So if you see India and China at border, so the place was occupying by China government will be China army. We will take the pictures and our pictures will be studied by the Indian monitoring system. So they will be analyze it with the help of the only images. So in that topic we are discussing at the last how we detect the virtual interruption includes. So virtual, what does it includes? So in this we discussed about first one is detection of objects. So detection of object means you take off an example of at border conditions only. So we will mark some GPS track with the help of the land survey. We will mark some points. So after entering into that one, we will detect the object here. So next one is recognition of object. So what you have recognized it. So next topic is recognition of objects. So next one is identification of objects. Identification of objects. Next one is classification of objects. And last one is declaration of objects. So we all discussed it in the last section. What is meant by the virtual interruption, what is meant by detection of objects, what is recognition of objects, identification of objects, classification of objects, declaration of objects. So in this class we are going to discuss about the virtual image interruption, image analysis, transfer of data. So how it will be transferred data. So first one we will see aerial photographs. So you see the example of the Indian Air Force. There will be taken some pictures. If any disturbance come to the soldiers, there will be again intimated to the our government. Then will be taken serious actions on it. So it will be aerial photographs, and next one satellite image band images. So aerial photographs we will taken once it be taken photos, so that images will be studied here. Next one false color combination. So here in the virtual interruption there are three topics coming here. One is aerial survey, so or aerial photographs. So aerial photographs means, let me explain. In aerial photograph, the image is interrupted by using the features of image of the earth surface such as tone, color, shadow, texture, size, shape, and also by using certain ground features such as land form, vegetation, land use, drainage, erosion, and alignments. So in aerial photographs these all comes including it will be taken with the help of the helicopters or aeroplanes or some detectors. In aerial photograph the image is interrupted by using the features. So with the help of these features conditions we are taking the photo and we will be studying. So next one is the satellite single band images. So here satellite is the platform. So with the help of the satellite single band imaginers. So in the satellite imaginary process there are two possibilities of interruption of available of the both the graphic and digital form. The technical is used here. Aerial photograph is applied for the graphic form, for the imaginary on the different parts as a special images applied, because very small scale of imaginary these are used in areas such as a natural hazards, flooding, landslide, earthquake, etc., used in the forest vegetation studies. So satellites are images Here it is used for at a technical situations it been used here. So aerial photography is used for everything study of the earth surface. In the satellite it will be used for where large areas can be founded where cannot be take the survey. So with the help of satellite images we are taken here. Next one is the false color compositions. False color composition, a group of color reminding methods utilized to display images in a color is known as false color. The virtual interruption of remote sensing data depends upon the false color combinations. So black and white combination or red blue yellow combinations, different combinations are used here and composite here, and the image will be studied here. So let me clarity explain one by one here again. So in aerial photographs we will take with the help of the earth, so shadow, next features of it, texture of it, size of it, next by using certain landmarks we will be taken here. Next one, satellite images. Satellite images are taken from directly satellites. So here platforms are either aeroplanes or helicopters, or some any technical systems we are used here. At satellite here we are having only images of the help of satellite. So satellite is the platform here. False combination means both aerial and platforms will the combination here, and the black and white pictures in olden days you have seen, so only two colors here. So nowadays we will having a three colors bandwidth, some different one. So next topic is the digital image interruption and virtual image interruption. So there are two types of interruptions. One is visual, next one is a digital. So in this virtual and digital interruptions, virtual image interruption is a process to analyze the objects to evaluate their importance, examining satellite imaginaries. So here you see virtual image interruption is the process of analysis of the objects. So we all discuss the definition of it. So it will be identification of object, it will be collection of object, it will be examination of object, everything will be seen here. So importance is examining of satellite images. So with the help of this satellite we can easily evaluate of it. Next we will see about the digital image interruption is a matrix of digital numbers which are being used for output acknowledgement digital conversion process. So at a digital means, so it has some coding like a matrix, we will see at a 2 by 2 matrix or 3 by 3 matrix or 4 by 4. So this by comes means so it will be given clarity, or it will be given the picture in the form of a rectangle or squares, so digitally, or sometimes it will be having barcodes also. You all see at present barcodes are the digital system. So if you identify any barcode, so directly it will be studied by the computer and it will be give direct output, whereas you compare to the visual, so it will not having any barcodes, it will be directly you will be studied at here. So by using virtual image interruption techniques, the pictorial data can be analyzed. So at this direct you see some pictures, you see direct pictures will be there here. So example house, you take any building, it will be having no direct, it will be having direct buildings, everything you can see here. Whereas you compare to the digital one, it will be having only barcodes. So you see at barcodes, so scanners will be there here. So barcodes is a simple example here, otherwise barcode will be given like this. So you see at present 10th class hall tickets or you take any intermediate hall tickets, you direct will be barcode scanner. So digitally it will be only direct, it will be count output. By using digital interruption technicals of the digital data can be analyzed here, only digital system. So you see other example is, for example, you see binary is the language of computer 10001, like that digital also will be having here digital only. So there is no any picture identification, but at visual you will be having direct pictures. With the help of the satellites you can be directly give output. But whereas at Digital you must have the barcode system, and computer must be very very important. Computer will give the data of the output here. In this technique, the analysis of remote sense data can be performed if the data are in the hard copy or periodical copy. So at visual you must have the hard copy. So that means you must take some any uh, pictures, or you may can take direct charts of the maps visual. So by seeing it you can explain it. For example, you see maps, so you see it maps, you see contour maps also. Contour maps will be represented a hard copy, so at visual you are seeing and you will be analyzed it. But whereas you compare to the digital, in this technique the analysis of remote sensing data performed the data at a digital mode only. So it will be very secret digital. So for example, you take best example, if Kakinada University is conducting exams, so you will see some barcodes will be arranged here. That barcode scanner will not copied by any other scanners. Only university can scan, a university examiner controllers only then can scan the barcode, and there will be give the marks in the barcode form, very secret. So like that, digital imaging only for barcodes only. So whereas visual everyone can see, say there is no secret of it. So you see the observe the main difference between visual images and digital images. Digital images will having barcodes, and who can see, you have the permits to see, they can only see. Without logins they cannot see digital images. Like that, higher officials meetings are there, higher officials conducting meetings, so there will be having some security. So digital images are having security, whereas visual will not have security also. Visual images can see everyone, we can understand by seeing the picture. So at image analysis you must have able to identify the picture, what is going on, what is happening here. In visual image interruption, technical is special features are not allowed fully determined. So in this point, so visual image will be understood by everyone. You can see, if you are able to understand by seeing the picture, or you can see by taking the visual interruptions, you can directly identify what is going on there. You can directly monitoring here. But whereas you compare to the digital one, in digital image interruption the technical spectral patterns are required here. So computer digitalizing, so here is the computer is the very very important at digital one. So you see at any malls, so there will, for you see, you will be book, you will book some tickets online, so there will be having some barcodes. So that barcode will scans the at the theater at that time only. So after that you can go, it will be not scanned by it. So it is having some digital interaction with the computer. Computer is the key point here. So digital is a very very secured. So nowadays it will be used widely. No interruptions has been taken here. Only who are having scanners, who are having high security, who are having at key, they will only can see. So other example for digital one is, for example, you all people nowadays are conducting any online classes or any Google Meets. Next you are some Facebook login IDs, so there will be seen here digital process only. So if I am the conducting meeting, I will send you my ID and my password, so that only you can log in, or otherwise I will send my link so that you can log in only. So again it will be comes to me, so whether the person is right person or not, so then only I will accept it. Like that here also at image analysis also, the pictures are very very must be identified by the computers who are having login IDs only, there will be studied digital images. Other whereas virtual images everyone can study it. Next, at virtual interruption, technical the spectral features is not allowed fully determined. So it is not fully determined, whereas digital are fully determined structures. So a large scale is used for operating virtual image interruption. So the size of the virtual is very large scale here, whereas compared to the an individual pix level domination of digital here. So at virtual you may can take large picture study. whereas digital it will be conducted at parts only, because to understand the computer to reader, again it will be sent to our to it to understand us. So in virtual, the recognition of shape pattern is easy. So at virtual images you see directly its shape is very easy. So accurate size is estimated at it, the technical of recognition shape pattern is easy some conditions, whereas you compare to the digital one, it will be having some modifications and it will be some typical to understand it. In digital one, incorrect size is estimation here. So sometimes virtual will be estimated incorrect, so the picture cannot give clarities of it. So whereas you compare to the digital one, it gives the clarity information. The multispectral analysis only limited the maximum 3 channel color combination. So at virtual, it's a combination of only three, black, white, red, or red, yellow, green. So it will be having only three bandwidths. So you see, you take any pictures at night time, flash will be on here. So the pictures are will be black and white combination. So we have some difficult to understand to read it, whereas you compared with the digital one, it is a multi-dimensional analysis ultimated. So in virtual it will be limited pictures data, it is unlimited pictures data, it is three band data, it is multi band data, it will be can understand everyone, it will be having to understand who are having digital one. Computer will be given data here, here direct manual will become, hard copy can be copied here, scanners is happening with the help of the scanners your digital will be carried out. So let's have some notes on only digital images. So we are discussed that virtual is completed. Now let me have some notes on digital one. So at a digital one, image consists of two-dimensional array. So it will be having 2D pictures to study for us. Consists of two-dimensional array, dispute elements of pic sizes, appears to be continuous tone photograph. Each pic can intensity of with a corresponding average distance, but in image above the ground area each picks of the. So for example it says that a two dimensional, so it is a two dimensional, the picture will be having like this. So in this you take a long ray picture, so in it will be having a black and white combination, the pictures may be like this, see. So in digital it will be having like this, and for this also there will be kept some barcode. So it is to understand some difficulties problems to, so you must have to study it. So again mm, so it, at a digital one you will see some, you have seen three pictures here, it will be having some a image, they are easy to understand, observed enlargement including 20 to 20 pixel. So so if you take the picture like this, so you will be having some clarity. If you want only one picture, you will be taken zoom it zoom on, so like that. So digital also will be having some scanners, so there will be analog the output here, analog DO comes conversion continuously plotted showing the continuous acknowledgement single. So at a digital one process will be there, analogical to digital conversion. So digital conversion process here, in A to D conversion process continuously it is being plotted here. So for example you see here, so once you refer this picture here, so it is having computer input signal is been continuously, so sampling interval be will taken at A B C D E F G up to you want. So discontinuous sample will be having at D, continuous along wave see here A to K. So ranges from 0 to time from 0 50 minutes 100 minutes 150 minutes. So how you see that one, So the in A to D conversion process, continuous line will be plotted here showing the continuous alignment uh, uh, distance signal from the determination of a sampling rate particular signal. So here you see in this graph you see one time is a input volume input is a you can take input, and next one is a time. So at a digital process, so input signals are coming like this, so waves are coming like this, so you take the input is coming like this at a time interval of for 50 seconds or 100 seconds, 120 seconds, 180 seconds, like a particular time interval. So input signal, with the input signals the pictures are coming is easy to output series are A59, A B81 at the particular range. So for example this is A B C D E. So time series will be taken like this 0, 50, 100, 8. So you see here A is pointed at B, so at the range of 0 to 50 you may can take A 45, next one for B, so next one B ranges from 50 to 100, so B 89 like that. So input is perpendicular to the time is perpendicular input output, so detection of the continuous enlargement. If any discontinuation of pictures, so for it is difficult to understand the picture, so it will be discontinued here, discriminator will be having, so like that. So at this subject also max part will be also will be included here. You see at max discriminator part and the continuous engrossment like this. So for that is the importance of civil engineers, they must have a background of everything. Next one is a geogrammatic corruption method. So in this transferring of image at map, so geo itself is giving that one. So geo means geographical maps, so transfer of maps. Next for finding the points interested at map and image. So for example you find one image, you with the help of your having old maps, so previous maps you identify the plotted areas with this new image. With the help of new image you will be having a knowledge of old image also, for bringing the adjustment images into the register. So you will be having the old images, so you take the new image here, you coincident the new image with the old one, so you will be having able idea of the study. For combining of remote sensing data with GIS, so remote sensing is a subject RS, GIS means Geo Information Systems. So with the help of Geo Information Systems, remote sensing are actively work, and the combination of subject is RS and GIS. So it will be having some effect. Uh, so sensors are the data is required here to identify each and everything. So in the next class I will be given here at very clarity what is meant by geometrical corruption, radiometric corruption, anthropometric corruption. So thank you.